Other calico cat, pregnant kisses, is now giving birth. This is the firstborn, a black and white body and a black head and tail. At 6:04 p.m. Tuesday, April 22, 2025. That's her firstborn. It's kinda big. Inulok. Patay ng usa kisis na inulan. Pagkuag tissue dong bik, kuan dong bik, yung inulan nga dugo.
Ini apa tadi? Iya nang inulan.
In more than 30 minutes after the first birth. How about this one kisses? You take care of this one, that one kisses? She already have 3 and she's having a hard time giving birth. I have to pull the kitten from her vagina so that it, especially this third one, the one who come out first are the feet. So I have to pull. That's one of the signs that I don't know, the mama is a bit malnourished, and we really should not have. I told my husband, the human dad, not to let any male cat in as long as we don't have the funds for neutering, because it will be a problem, because the female ones have not been spayed and they will get pregnant. All are black and white. This one is kinda tabi dong, kaning last. Kaya di man kayo dark, ano, ato man gitaon mo sa puday sa inyong inahan, oy. Mubalik, mugsod.
Nara sa pilat bate.